Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make KFC macaroni salad. First, cook 1 cup of elbow macaroni until al dente, then rinse it with cold water and let it cool completely. Next, finely dice 1/4 cup of celery and 2 tablespoons of onion. These fresh ingredients are crucial for that signature crunch and flavor. Ensure all your ingredients are prepped before moving to the next step for a smooth process. Now let's create the creamy, tangy dressing that makes this salad so special. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add 1/2 teaspoon of dry mustard, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix until everything is well combined and smooth, ensuring no lumps remain. With your dressing ready, it's time to bring everything together. In a large bowl, gently fold the cooled elbow macaroni into the creamy dressing. Then, add your finely diced celery and onion. Stir everything thoroughly until all the macaroni and vegetables are evenly coated with the dressing. Cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate for a minimum of 2 hours, or ideally, overnight. Before serving, give your macaroni salad a quick taste test and adjust any seasonings if needed. A little extra salt or pepper can make a big difference. For a touch of visual appeal, sprinkle a pinch of paprika over the top. Serve this delicious, chilled macaroni salad as a perfect side dish for your next meal. Enjoy your homemade version of a classic favorite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.